Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim with Kim's Inspired Life, and it's the 8th of the month, and you know what that means. It's hashtag Enjoy Pink with Us, open collab hosted by our friends Annie Creates, by Mimi with Love, Melodimade, and Hello Little Missy. Thank you, ladies. It's so fun to be able to think about pink at least once a month, even though some of us are thinking about pink a lot more than that. So, guys, today I'm going to share with you a really fun, easy dessert that you can make for Valentine's. It's the Valentine's Day Creamy Yogurt Jello dessert. It's a recipe that I found on YouTube a couple years ago, and it's just so fun to make because really all you need are these two ingredients right here. Yogurt, non-fat yogurt. This is Good and Gather vanilla. You can use any kind of plain yogurt that you like. And then, because it's hashtag Enjoy Pink with Us, I'm using pink Starburst Jello today to make the recipe. Guys, I've made it usually with red, like cherry. I've also made it with orange. Oh my gosh, it's so good with orange Jello as well. And then to fancy it up, you can put some raspberries on it and also some whipped cream as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. The hot water is just about ready to go. So let me go get it and then we can start our recipe. So this was the first time that I bought this Starburst all pink. I bought it especially for today at Dollar Tree. And it is a large packet of Jello. It's the 6 servings or 6.5 servings. And so since there's only Raleigh and I, so I'm just going to use half of the package, and I have my hot water already that I just put inside the bowl. You just take your Jello. If you use a regular small box like this one, you can just dump the whole thing in. And so 1 cup of Jello mix. I just went ahead and put about half the box in, and now I'm just going to let it dissolve. And then I'm going to have to wait for this to cool down, of course, before I can put Greek yogurt in. And so after this is cooled down, just going to add 1 cup of Greek yogurt, then put it back in the refrigerator for about an hour or so and just let it set. Jello is now room temperature, and so I added 1 cup of Greek yogurt, and I'm going to mix that. Just took out these 2 nice glasses that I'm going to put the mixture in. Nice and pink and frothy, guys. Okay, so I'm going to put that in the refrigerator and let it set. All right, 1 hour in the refrigerator you go. You can definitely make this for Valentine's, but you know what? Raleigh and I are going to enjoy this tonight after dinner as our dessert. So I hope that you enjoyed this hashtag Enjoy Pink with Us Valentine dessert that you can make. It's so easy. 2 ingredients, Jello and Greek yogurt, and there you have it. Okay, honey, are you ready for the dessert that I made us?
Oh, you made us dessert?
Yes, it's pink. See?
I see.
A nice pink dessert made out of Jello and yogurt. And I'm going to add some raspberries and some whipped cream, okay? And then you're going to test it and see what you think.
Sounds good.
Okay, guys, thanks for stopping by. Talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.